Hello guys, Rami here. Been hearing a lot about the liqui moly engine flush, so I decided to put it to a test and take it from there. If that does really work, I'm gonna start recommending it to my customers. I'm gonna do it on my 2004 Toyota Camry. It got 200,000 miles on it, so let's put it to a test. I'm running the vehicle to operating temperature, so it's been running for a good 5 minutes now. I'm gonna let it run for another 5 minutes, then I'm gonna add this. Okay, the car is a good operating temperature. It's been running for 10 minutes now. It says right here on the can, after adding the product, to let the engine idle for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the degree of contamination. I'm gonna leave it for 20 minutes, or actually maybe 25 minutes, because I have 200,000 miles on the vehicle. And recently I did the valve cover gasket on my vehicle, so I don't feel like taking this valve cover gasket back off again, but you can see from here the discoloration. Alright, liqui moly, let's get to work. Bottoms up. Let's see what this $20 can will do. Right now it's 6:12. Let's go. See you in 25 minutes. In the meantime, let me set up the lift. Still running. Okay, I'm about to shut off the vehicle. It's been a little bit over half an hour, so probably 35 minutes. Let's see. Actually, a little bit of discoloration came off of that, but all right, let's see. Let's drain the oil. All right, let's pop this plug open. That's very dark. That's very dark oil. Let me put it to a light. That's very dark. I guess I cleaned up a lot of carbon buildups. Let me see what it looks like after I put the fresh oil in. It's running down watery. Look, it doesn't have like viscosity in it. All right, let's see after the fresh oil. Okay, I'm gonna replace the new filter, oil filter. That's the old filter. Okay, fresh oil filter. Okay, let's snug the drain plug. Go get my oil. All right, fresh batch. All right, I'm gonna let it run for 5 minutes, then take a look at it.